Hello everyone, in this video I am summarizing my answer for section B, question 1. This question asked me to analyze the impact of integrating AI, quantum computing, robotics and drones on humanity and the planet, and to discuss both positive and negative implications. To start, I mentioned that when these four technologies converge, they don't just add up, they multiply each other's impact. Together they have the potential to change healthcare industry, the environment, and even how societies function. On the positive side, I first spoke about healthcare. AI can support diagnosis, robotics can assist in surgery and care, drones can deliver medicines or samples to remote areas, and quantum computing can speed up complex medical simulations. This leads to faster discovery and more precise treatment. Second, I highlighted safety and disaster response. Robots and drones can enter dangerous places like collapsed buildings, chemical spills, or wildfire zones, reducing risk to human rescuers. The third, I mentioned environmental monitoring. With AI analyzing data from drones and sensors, we can track forests, crops, glaciers, and oceans in real time and plan more sustainable interventions. Fourth, there is economic potential. New industries and roles emerge in automation design, robotics maintenance, AI governance, and system integration, creating various opportunities for skilled employment. Then I moved to the negative implications. The first risk I discovered is loss of human agency. As autonomous systems handle more decisions, people may start depending on outputs they don't fully understand or control. The second concern is inequality and power concentration. Countries or corporations with access to advanced AI, quantum infrastructure, and robotics could gain a huge advantage, increasing global and social gaps. The third issue is ethical misuse and security. For example, autonomous drones could be used for mass surveillance or warfare, and biased AI models could cause unfair treatment at a huge scale. The fourth negative point I added is psychological and social impact. Displacement anxiety and identity level change, especially job displacement anxiety and identity related stress. If machines perform many tasks better than humans, people may struggle with questions about purpose, their relevance, and self worth too. Well, I also presented a balanced perspective. The development of these technologies being integrated is not necessarily good or bad. Its consequences are determined by governance, intent, and literacy. Technology can bring out the equality and the inequalities based on the person who develops it, its users, and the values that influence its working. Well, this is just a diagrammatic representation of the positive implications and negative implications. Well, in my conclusion, I said that this integration is not automatically good or bad, actually. It is powerful. The real outcome depends on governance, regulation, public awareness, and ethics. With the right framework, these technologies can support human well being and planetary health. Without them, they could deepen inequality and instability. Thank you for watching.